Hi, hi. Today I'm explaining about tweening animation. So yesterday before class, uh, I gave you the clarity about animation and frames and different types of animations and um in Flash. Generally, we use for the tweening animation as well as frame by frame animation also. In tweening animation, we have classic tweening, shape tweening, and motion tweening. Okay, so I'll explain you here what is classic tweening. Yes, suppose here I give the name first. Classic tweening. Okay. Now here what I'm doing, I'm giving one frame here. Okay, the frame or drawing, whatever your character might be, your character also. Okay, this is my drawing frame and if you observe here on timeline, I placed it 1. Okay, so somewhere on timeline, anywhere click on suppose at 40 frames or maybe 50 frames, right click and here insert frame, insert keyframe, insert blank keyframe, convert to keyframes, convert to blank keyframes. These are the different frames. Suppose what will happen if I insert keyframe. Okay, so insert keyframe means by this name we have to understand keyframe means very important frame. At keyframes the changes are there in animation. So keyframe means very important frame, but here what is important frame here, because the both frames on the same area. Both frames on the same area. Okay, suppose Control Z, made Control Z, instead of I'm giving insert frame. Now here you have to observe and timeline, before keyframe the black dots, 2 black dots here and there, 2 black dots placed, but here only one drop here. Here there is a simple the box shape, it is there, box shape. So that means what, this is only the keyframe showing in black spots. This is the keyframe, and here the same frame continued or extended up to 50 frames. That is frame, insert frame. Suppose here at anywhere 60 or 70 or 75, here right click and again insert frame, again up to 50 to 75 the same frame. So up to here the 75 frames you are extended the same frame. That is the difference between keyframe and a frame. Suppose here between these frames anywhere right click and suppose insert blank keyframe. So then what will happen, blank keyframe. Yes, see here your frame is not there, so you inserted a blank empty. Okay, just before that your frame is there, but from 30 nothing is there because you inserted already blank keyframe. Okay, that is now Control Z. Okay, then you can right click and convert to keyframes. Suppose that a blank keyframe or frame you can convert into keyframe, okay, and convert to blank keyframe. Again that keyframe you can convert as a blank also, okay. So slowly one by one you will easily understand about these things. First I am inserting a keyframe here, insert keyframe. So these are both two keyframes. We have to do between these two keyframes, okay, animation we have to do between these two keyframes. But when you place these two keyframes on the same place, how can you do the animation? You cannot. That is the reason you already pasted there, and at the second keyframe, okay, move this box somewhere and stays here, here, there, anywhere. Okay, yes. Now if you see this, there is one frame and here one frame. If you switch this onion skin is like transparenciness, opacity can create between these frames. Suppose here the transparency, the frame is there, one at the last and another frame, okay. Between these two keyframes we are giving the animation. For that what we do, on timeline anywhere between 1 to 50 you can click anywhere and choose create classic twin, okay. Then immediately there is a pop-up, the dialog box is coming. This selected frame spans cannot be twinned. You must convert frame content to a symbol in order to twin. Do you want to convert and create a twin? It is asking. Say OK. So that means what? It is asking to create symbol. Okay, it is convert into symbol, and now your animation is here. See, for classic twin, it is showing in a light the purple color it is showing the timeline, okay. And if you want to see the preview of this, there is a player, inserted player, flash player is here, okay. So click play and now you see this animation, okay. Again play this animation, and suppose here step forward, suppose here step backward. See, you are moving step by step, and here go to first frame. So first frame, and here it is step forward, it is forwarding, and go to last frame. So this is a internal flash player, okay. Anything you animate here, anything you draw and want to animate, okay. After animation, for checking your animation preview, you can click on this play button, okay. Or otherwise on keyboard press Ctrl Enter, okay. Now you are observing animation. So here the classic twin is blinking because this is the classic twin layer. It is still there at first frame only, but the animation is going up to 50 frames. So this frame also can be hold for the same 50 frames. What you do, right click and insert frame, that's enough. No keyframe, because the same frame you can extend up to 50 frames. Now press Ctrl Enter. Now see, your classic twin text is there up to your 50 frames animation. See, nicely it is moving your box. Here instead of box you can move on a car, plane or jeep or bike, bus, whatever, horizontally or vertically also, 90 degrees vertically also you can move your drawing object our animation, and horizontally also you can do that. Okay, so this is simple twinning, classic twinning. Suppose I want to change this direction. Suppose this is horizontally it is moving, but now I want this this route, I want to move this route and again go that side. So for that what we do, anywhere here, suppose here, right click and insert keyframe. We added one more keyframe, but there is no changes. If you click on the timeline, I mean play, so it is moving as it is. But when you place keyframe, change the direction. Now if you observe there, see your animation is, yes, control enter, yes, starting and reaching down and going up. So already we gave new keyframe here. Okay, and then what you do, at somewhere here I'm placing one more keyframe, but after adding keyframe you have to change the place also. Okay, now this is there and going up and going down, and here again I'm placing one more keyframe and move up and go down. Now play, control enter, see this, yes, so it is moving as per our guidelines, direction, as per the given keyframe. So that is the keyframe. So keyframe means where you are giving the changes in action, there you have to give keyframe. Keyframe means important frame. From these keyframes, the other frames beside these other frames are just frames, and this is keyframe, and again frames, and this is keyframe. Okay, that is the difference between keyframe and frames. Here one more thing you have to understand here. In properties panel, if you observe here, there is a pencil type image is there. Okay, so just you can click on that. The custom easiness is there. There is a graph. This is called graph, custom easiness. And suppose here, click there. Okay, and there is a node. Okay, now you can drag down and see the preview of your animation. Okay, play here. Now see the speed of your animation you are observing. Here it is going faster and reaching bit slower because the arc is showing that. And suppose reset again, and now click the other side and drag that side now, and now play. See that, and reset. Now here click and draw, and now play. See the speeds, you are controlling your speedness. See, it is okay. A reset, click here, and both sides nodes are coming. Now you can observe this. Now see, as per your graph positions, this is giving nice actions. So sometimes we use few areas we want slow, and few areas the faster actions required. So that case we use this custom easiness. Okay, so This is the graph of the bar, and the speed we control with this. Okay, and reset and cancel. Okay, after that press here. See, there is a showing 0 here, so indicating easing intensity. Okay, and suppose here I'm giving minus, I'm giving 100 minus, so you are controlling the speed of the action. Suppose you click here, you see what is happening. If you want to see this, yes, now you observe this. What I'll do, if you want to understand clearly, cell removal. Yeah, it is there. Yes, now you see this. Now see, there is a slower and here it is faster. And reset. Beautiful. It's coming faster and reaching slower. Okay, so reset, cancel. So I'll remove this, remove classic twin, remove this frame, remove frame, and now I'm planning again. Okay, now you can place create classic twin. Okay, yes, and click on the first frame. Now you see the easiness, the minus 100 I'm placing here, and if you observe there, see the actions will be here, the actions will be here. Slowly the action starting and ending with the faster. See, between the frames gaps here, the more gaps, and slowly it is very slow. So that is the reason if you play control enter, see the action starting with slow and ending with the faster. Okay, so you are giving the minus. Okay, so this is minus easing intensity. Okay, so instead of that I'm giving 100, so means plus. Now what will happen? Observe. Yeah, now see. So this is ulta. In opposite, here the frames are more gaps, having more gaps, and here it is very close. See, then you can control enter, starting with very fast and reaching slowly. Very interesting. Okay, so you can use photographs also. Suppose import to library. So from desktop I'm searching for any file, suppose assignments. Yes, suppose it is not there. Yeah, for time being you can check anything. is there. Port library. Okay, anyway, the reference images are not good. Images. What is this? Okay, take this for time being. Okay. So now what I am doing, get this image and stays. This is my image, and with Q transform tool make it bigger. Okay, this is my picture. Now what I am doing, this is my first keyframe. Okay, and at last you can insert keyframe, and between these two, and first you have to place opposite side, then only we get the animation, and right click anywhere on the timeline and apply classic tween. Is asking to convert into a symbol, say yes. Now observe this, control enter, yes, and with the red also red patch is coming because this underlay this is, but if you switch off this visibility here, so temporarily on stage you cannot see that, but in animation it shows. So if you want to not include in animation, right click and make guide. So there is a symbol it is showing, so that means what, it is not coming into your animation. Now control enter, yes, see the beautifully nicely you are moving your personal photos. You can make it a web album, or otherwise photo album, photo gallery. You can create with multiple things we do with okay. Right, so the same way here you can control the speed of animation. Suppose here I'll make with -100, and now you see this slowly starting, ending with fast. Okay, this is nice. Okay, yes, the same way you can make it bigger and smaller also. Suppose here I have clockwise, the rotations I want clockwise. How many rotations I want? Suppose here 3 rotations. Give many rotations if you want. See this, slowly making rotations and ending with the fast. Okay, see, this is beautiful, very nice. So you are giving that. At the same time, suppose here yes, and now can control enter. What is happening? It is growing. Okay, from small to big shape, bigger shape, it is growing. Okay, after reaching there, suppose here after reaching there, this animation, suppose if you want to hold, okay, because after reaching first to last 50th, lack of other frames, it is looping, connecting to first frames. So immediately it is look like looping, it is looping. Suppose if you add more frames here, suppose these many frames I'm adding, insert frame, that means what, the same frame. So here there is no animation. After reaching endpoint, you have to hold the same frame for up to 75 means 50 to 75, 25 frames. Okay, and this also I can extend up to inset, and this also I can extend inset. And now you can observe, control enter. See, after reaching your frame, it is holding to observe for few seconds. Few means that is 1 second. After reaching 50 frames, this is waiting for 75. So the 25 frames means almost 1 second it is holding in front of your eyes. So that is the simple classic twinning. By using this method, in future we are doing so many things. Okay, and here the frame rate, suppose here I am changing, adding 12, and now you can observe, control enter. See, it is rolling. Okay, so we can experiment as many as for time being, and default time giving. Okay, yes. So other things I'll explain now. Animation time, then only you'll understand actually what all this orient to path and all. Okay, and the same way here, anti-clockwise, counterclockwise and clockwise, and auto. So auto rotations. Okay, so this is the simple classic twin animation. Okay, so we use this classic twin animation. We use this classic twin animation in animation assignments. So this is for the class explanation. I'm giving you the examples. For examples, I'm using this. Okay, or otherwise you can change this. Suppose this case I want to change this differently. I want to give, so you can remove this entire, remove classic twin, and you can place this frame here center, and you can copy this frame and paste it here. Okay, now with the Q means transform tool, make it bigger, make it bigger. Okay, now you give create classic twin. Now you can see, control enter. Yes, beautiful. She is coming to your side, camera side. Very nice. Very nice. So how you plan, according to that the animation will move. Okay, so you also have to experiment this. If anyone wants this work file, if anyone interested to do this, so I will share you this file with your email. Okay, so you have to do this, experiment this. If you have any doubt, please ask. Okay, so thank you.